So what you can actually also do inside of Qwen is go ahead and then generate out SVG codes to create out graphics as you want. So to do that, you can go ahead over here onto Qwen and simply go ahead and type in generate out a SVG code, code of trees in mountain top right here, just like this. Make sure the graphics is detailed. So if I were to actually go ahead and do that, then what happens is that it'll actually go ahead and then give me an SVG code right here, just like this, denoting a graphic right here. So here's the code for the background sky, then for the sun, for the clouds right here, as you can see, it used a bunch of circles. Then you got mountains, it used polygon for that. Then you got the trees, as you can see right here. So it actually went ahead and generated out SVG codes for this right here. And you simply need to go ahead and wait for this graphic to actually finish generating right here. So now it has finished generating, and now what you can do right here is go ahead and copy this particular code, then take it to an editor like Notepad, paste it out, and then around over here, you can simply go ahead and save it. Let's say, for example, in the desktop, you can go ahead and see as scene.html. Not HTML, but SVG right here, because this is an SVG graphics. So once you go ahead and do that, over here, you can see the SVG graphics, and this can be actually opened up in any browser. And you can see that it's not perfect right here, but it actually went ahead and generated out this particular graphics right here. You can actually open this graphics out in a SVG editor and then start editing out the graphics as well. So in Illustrator or CorelDRAW, you can go ahead and open up these graphics as well. You can go ahead and further modify out the graphics as well. So although not perfect, you can see that you can go ahead and easily generate out SVG codes as you like using Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.